Good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Check this out. I've never stayed at Mandalay Bay before, but I am a MGM Pearl level rewards member, and I just got comped 3 nights. Granted, it is in November. I'm here for a convention, and I'm paying $39 a night resort fees. Probably going to get some of those comped too with my gambling. Look what I just walked into. Came through the front room. Cool part is everything's done through your smartphone. I didn't even have to go to the front desk. I walk in, I'm expected just to see a basic room, but check it out. Come around the corner. There's the ice station. Come on. Look at this. It's like a mini suite. I did not expect this one bit. This is badass. I'm going to take the full perimeter. I'll show you guys. I'm only on the 5th floor, but still, this room is huge. Okay, check this place out. This is unbelievable. Okay. King bed. Study desk table. I haven't even looked out the window. I do have a view of the strip, but I'm not, Mandalay Bay doesn't really look to the strip. Big old bathroom, double sinks. Fucking, okay, nice shower. I'm assuming this is the water closet. The toilet. Yep, that's the turlet. Then we got nice shower. Then we got a nice big ass soaking tub. No jets, but still. Ladies, what do you say? Who wants to come soak in the tub with the playa? Back out into the bedroom. Let's come back around. Got the soaking tub again. I'm assuming this is just, oh yeah, we got the closet and a safe, which is cool. And again, the shower, nice big pan head shower in there. And there's me. Hey guys. And let's see what the view is like. Okay, it's probably not going to be very cool right now because I have all the lights on. But let's take a look. Draw the blinds. We got 2 sets of blinds to draw. Hold on. Let's see what we got. Outside, I'm probably going to have to do a little, we're not, oh, there's Luxor. Hold on, let me shut some lights off, guys. Just a minute. We'll get a look at the view so you don't have to see me. Got other lights to turn off. Come back around. We'll darken it up. Make it look really cool outside. Hey, it's me again. All right, I still got some glare from the windows, from all the lights. Let's turn them all back off. See what it looks like out there. Oh, where's the light switch on that one? I could have swore it was right there. Oh, there it is. Okay. I'll kill this one too just because. And let's look at the view. Let's look at the view. Down the strip. Check it out. There's the MGM. There is the Luxor. And we got further down, a little bit dirty window. We got MGM, like I said, there's Aria, and New York, New York. So yeah, that's kind of cool. Got a strip view room. Didn't expect that. 3 nights comp, and I'm not even a high roller. All right, guys, make sure you sign up for club cards, because even a little bit of gambling will get you something. Have a good night. See you at the tables.